Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to use offline Google Maps. So guys, if you want to use Google Maps offline, then at first you need to download the map of that place. Now I will show you how to download your place from Google Maps. So guys, at first let's continue into your Google Maps. And then click on the profile icon in the right side of corner. Then click on offline maps. Now click on select your own map. And now choose the area you want to download. So guys, I am selecting this area. And after selecting, click on download. And as you can see, your map is start to downloading. So the map has been downloaded, and now you can see this place by using offline Google Maps. So guys, that's how you can use offline Google Maps very easily. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.